Happy Valentine's Day.
Better not.
Owen.
Okay, we've already started. So we found the derivative of f of x, and we found what it is at a point x equals 2. We're going to move on and start talking about the equation of a tangent line. Okay, so what is the tangent line again? It's the slope.
It's also
And
the derivative.
Derivative. Okay? To find the equation of a tangent line, you have to do two things. Okay? So first you have to be given an equation. Let's do one that they gave us. Y equals x squared. X squared plus 4x. I forgot already. It doesn't matter if we do the same one or not. Plus 3. They do a minus 4.
Why didn't you do a minus 4?
Because I'm going to go back and change it, but my eraser is really big.
Well, you know what? I would like her to do this in the book. That way, if I get lost, I can find the answer.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, we're good.
So, what I want to know is, what is the equation of the tangent line at x equals 3? So we need to find the prime. So, I'm going to say, I'm going to write what we want. We want to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals 3. Okay, that's what we want. So we're given an equation. The first thing we have to do is find what is the derivative. Okay, what is the derivative of y? I heard 2x.
That was Owen.
Is that it? Okay, so that's the slope of the tangent line, but we need it at a certain point. So they do the dy dx at 3. You're plugging 3 in for x.
These are so simple. I know they're going to get complicated. I just jinxed it, but still.
Yes, we can do this. So it's 6 minus 2, so it's 2. So guess what that 2 represents in our equation?
Your slope.
The slope, the m.
2x
plus. Y equals mx plus b. We've just found the m.
Wait. Didn't they? Oh. Okay, wait.
Oh.
But it's right there in front of the x. Already.
Yeah, it is.
What? No. We got 2. We substituted 3 in for 2.
Okay.
It was 6 minus 4.
But is it going to be like that
No.
every time?
No.
It was
The
six.
last one it was not.
I got the same thing.
Stop. It was not.
Any
And
shortcut
here the
I can
slope was
find?
2. No, the slope was 7.
Okay.
At a certain point.
So I still have to do it.
You
There's no
still have
there's
to
no
do it.
shortcut.
There is no
But it was
shortcut.
worth a try.
Okay. You know what else we need to do next?
No.
Okay, we found the m. We found the slope. What are we missing? Y equals mx plus
B.
plus b. Okay. If I say at x equals 3, actually I don't think they gave you a point. No, they didn't. We are simply plugging in. We need to know what happens in the equation when x actually equals 3. Okay? What is your y value? What is the point? Okay, dear. What is the point x, y when x is 3? So here's the second piece that you have to do. That does not change colors. So we need to know what is y when x is 3. So we are plugging in 3 into the original equation.
0.
7 plus 3.
Oh, just kidding.
Whoa,
Wait,
stop, 12.
it is 0.
Oh my gosh. This is Miss Evans, not.
So 0.
I was about to say that from the
Oh my goodness. So y is 0. So you have a point. Okay.
So 0 equals 2
Bronchitis.
times 3.
Ew. You really?
Yeah, seriously.
Then why are you here?
So we have a point, an x.
I never got.
We have an xy point. Okay. So if y is 0, your x is 3. That's your intercept. Can you find what the b is going to be?
We can figure out 2x from that.
So I'm going y equals m. So you have a y equals mx plus b. So here we go again. Plugging it, or,
How do you find B?
okay, at this moment in time, usually in my calculus class, half the class will do this. Y equals mx plus b. I don't either, I didn't mean to hit that
It's
color.
okay.
And plug a 0 equals 2 times 3 plus b.
Oh,
Okay, half my class will do that. You know what the other half will do?
ask you how to get B.
Y minus y equals m times x minus x. It's a point slope.
Oh, I would do that one. Maybe.
Either one you want, you should get the same answer.
Which one's easier?
I like the mx plus B.
Immediately, I can tell you that b equals -6.
Yeah.
So I get b equals -6. Do that pretty quick. Over here, y minus 0 is kind of the same thing. So I have y equals 2x, so I'm distributing, minus 6. This one leaves in my, I'm done when I'm done with it because it leaves it in the equation. And what did we want?
In the equation.
The equation. This one, you have to go back and plug it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Maybe.
Okay? It's what you remember.
That's true.
When I was a student, I did not want to have to remember another formula, so I did not use this one. Now this one was easy because the y was 0. So sometimes you're going to have to add whatever that is to the other side. So it'll be an
Oh,
extra
if
step.
it's a 6, then it's just y equals 2x.
Yes. Okay. Can we do another one?
Yes,
This
we
is the
can.
equation of the tangent line. Do we need to look at a picture?
So,
Are we good?
yeah, because the guy was like, oh, I think so. And he's like so cute because he's so questionable about everything that he does.
Yes.
It was probably
And it
one of
was
the
a cute little
cutest shows
boy.
of our generation.
I'd probably build the toys, I'd probably.
That was like the Mr.
I have
Rogers
all
of our
kinds of
generation.
problems.
Oh my gosh, Mr.
That
Rogers.
was the Mr.
Oh, I
Rogers
love
of our
Mr.
generation.
I like when he went to that
Y
little
equals-
sandwich shop down the street and got a sandwich and they showed him how to make it. You guys remember that?
So the crown episode,
Oh yeah.
you make the crown.
Okay, so I want you to write the equation of the tangent line at x equals 2.
Equation.
At least I didn't put in, I mean, I thought about putting in 3 or 4, and that would be even bigger. So I at least picked a fairly small one.
Okay, when I do my dy dx line part,
Okay?
and there's a little number that goes down in that little thick part, is it going to be a -7 or is it going to just be 7?
What number are we looking at? We are looking for at x equals what?
I thought you used this part of the equation.
No. We need it at x equals 2.
Okay.
That's why that number is there. So what is the derivative? What's y prime?
4x plus 5.
4x plus 5, and when we plug a 2 in,
You get 13.
8 plus 5 is 13. So what does that represent?
The part outside the parentheses in the complicated.
That's our m, our slope.
M.
This is our slope, or our m.
Everything's a big number. They're all over it.
Now this is one that the 7's made up. I'm sorry. Other part, what else do we have to do? There's always 2 steps. We
Plug it back in the original.
Plug it back in the original. So y on a parentheses on an f of x. 2 squared plus 5 times 2 minus 7. 4 times 2, 8 plus 10 minus 7.
Oh, mine is 14.
that one.
How do you find B again?
So,
It's the, I know it's the y equals mx plus b, but
okay, so I have a point now. It's 211. Yes, that's my x, that's my y. Okay? If you need, do y equals mx plus b.
yeah, you substitute for the x and the y.
Mm-hmm. And you only are missing the b. Do you want equals x plus b? Solve. 26. So subtract 26. B equals negative 15. Oh, that's not my final answer, but we'll leave it. Or you can go here and say y minus 11 equals 13 times x minus 2.
Big numbers.
How do you get to 26?
It's over 10.
Bananas.
Bigger than what we've used before.
Oh, I thought you were saying it was divided by 10. It was over 10. I'm like, there's nothing divided by 10.
Oh no, over as in
It's like it's bigger than 10.
Yeah, sorry.
13x minus 26.
Math terms are confusing. You can just be saying a normal word, but in math terms it means something else. It's a normal
Math in general is confusing.
There
You
we
said
go.
no?
No. Yeah.
You follow a pattern.
Thank you.
I feel like some brains are wired to see the pattern, and others, this looks like a different language.
There's right and left brain. Right, and I forget which one's
Yeah.
which.
I'm neither.
I'm the one that's not math.
I'm neither.
I was at the basketball game the other night and I came early to get tickets and to get a seat and I sat and then I'm like, why am I sitting here for 40 minutes? It was 45 minutes and I was like, oh, man, I'm not gonna get a seat and Coach Cooey made fun of me. He was like, yeah, you just sit and grade papers, huh? I was like, yeah, that's what I brought. And he laughed even
So
harder.
what?
And so then I went and found a seat and I ended up sitting by Papa, like the McMurray's grandfather,
Yes.
Dad's husband. And he was sitting there reading a book with his earbuds in, because like he wants nothing to do with any sports stuff. And so I'm sitting there grading trig stuff, and it's verifications, like so all this, and he was like, "Do you prefer them to write it in terms of sine, cosine, inverse, or do you?" And like he was asking me all kinds of questions. He was sitting there watching me grade.
He's
So
definitely McMurray.
It was awesome. He is so fun
Yeah, y'all just talking about math.
I like
Yes.
that Coach Cooey made fun of you for doing
For grading.
your job.
Yeah, out of basketball.
And basketball.
Because he doesn't do his job.
Or being recorded. Alexandria, be quiet.
I mean, he does. Sometimes.
Okay,
I've
is she
heard that
wrong?
he goes and reads the second graders.
Does he really?
Yeah.
Isn't his daughter in second grade?
No. She's in kindergarten, I think.
I don't know. If I was in second grade, I'd be a little
But
intimidated by like a 6 foot tall guy with gray
He
hair.
is bigger than 6 foot.
Yeah, but like he's
Okay,
super
over 6 foot.
sweet.
Sorry.
Like it's not like he's stern and whatever with the little kids.
Oh, that's
With the
true.
high school
Like Coach
boys.
Farrar.
Yeah.
Coach Farrar was like really stern with the boys, and then with the kids, he was just like this big giant
He
teddy bear.
patted me on the back when we were at the CPA, and I was like, I'm sorry, I've never spoken to you before, but thank you.
Who? Coach Farrar or Coach Cooey?
Yeah, Coach Farrar.
Coach Ford does that to everybody.
He's a
Right the
big guy.
equation.
I like
It's just
him.
like, alright.
Wait, the answer for the last one was just negative 15?
No.
No, it's
Yeah,
y
but
equals
it's-
13x minus 15.
Thank you.
Because that was your.
That was what was circled.
I didn't know
circled
what
it.
came
And I
before
left
the
it
A.
I
there.
would say solve for B. God, that's
That's what it is.
enjoy it. I don't know.
I haven't seen
She
it.
hasn't sent an email, so that usually means.
Well, considering that I did not do the last
But
assignment,
considering she has a stomach bug.
Yeah, I was gonna say stomach bug doesn't last one day unless it's just a random stomach ache.
Yeah, it's usually 2 days.
But she may, if it started early enough, she could be here today. It just depends on how.
Well, she seemed fine.
well, if she's got the stomach bug, I'm gonna ask her to go home.
Hey, thank you, Caitlin. We're talking about you as you were listening.
No, we're talking about Dr. Pugel.
Oh, Dr. Pujo.
Oh no, we weren't taking the cable.
Caleb, if you have the stomach bug, don't you dare come to school.
Don't you dare. So we're talking about Dr.
And if you do come to school, stay away from all basketball players.
Yeah.
Catch things that we can't see. Anyway, that's just a personal problem.
What
Okay, so write the line, tangent, write the equation of the line, tangent 2. So where's pi over 6? you might need to know
You
that.
know what you should do?
No.
I will help with this. Get like one of those sine cosine graphs, but a big circle. That's a plate that you just stick on your wall.
You want a plate on
I
the
will
wall.
literally help build it. I'm not
That's
even gonna be
actually
here.
really smart.
That would be, put it right
I'll help if I get
There.
extra credit for it.
or there, because you know during a test it's gonna be.
That'd be a good spot right there.
Or you just need to have the plate.
Okay,
The other class already asked me to move one of those to the front.
It's easier to keep up with a poster than a plate.
true.
You don't have the poster at home.
Wait,
No,
what
You
was
should
that?
be doing your
I
homework.
think my
Well, then I have
plates are home.
Google.
I don't know. I haven't seen it in a while.
Alright, so what are we doing to write the equation of the tangent line? It's what?
1/2
What is 1/2?
sine x of 30 degrees is 1/2.
But you gotta
Okay, so
choose-
what? Okay, let's go through our 2 steps. What step was that?
That was just identifying what y is equal to.
Okay,
Not done much.
so all you've done is plug in y
triangle.
equals sine pi over 6. So we need to know that, don't we?
I knew this would get harder.
What is happening?
No, it's the exact same thing. I give you a function and I give you a point. Go the same process. Okay? The exact same. You're plugging in x into the equation.
What do you have to find the derivative?
We do. I mean, there's 2 different, and really it doesn't matter which order you go in.
Derivative of sine is cosine.
Okay, so sine, are we all agreeing sine of pi over 6 or sine of 30 degrees is 1/2? Do you agree with that? Did you draw a triangle?
Yes.
I'm taking Ben's word.
You're taking Ben's word. I draw this
Hey,
triangle
I'll take it.
every time. I agree.
This is a teamwork sport.
So I'm gonna go over here and say, what is x? Pi over 6. What is y?
1/2.
So this is my x and my y and the point that we have to have. What is that other step again, Owen?
Find the derivative.
Okay, I was thinking.
I'll help him. Once
Sorry,
again,
did I say
teamwork
something that I?
sport.
No,
What was I saying?
earlier you said, wait, don't we have to find the derivative? Yes.
And then you said
Yes,
the derivative
Did I
was.
say something intelligent? Cosine.
Cosine. What do we do next? Which I did not write it like I did earlier.
Do the dy dx
At
at pi over 6.
pi over 6. So now, what is cosine of pi over 6?
Square root of 3 over 2. Oh, gross. I sound like a smoker today.
Square root of 3.
Okay. So what does that represent? Our
B. Stop. Slope.
Stop.
you thought I was gonna cross
I
that
thought you were
L? Stop. Because that's exactly what we're talking about in this class.
Well, I didn't know. My guess, I don't know.
So we have a slope, we have an M, we have an X, and we have a Y. You're plugging it in. What's your?
Y equals. Okay, somebody else take over.
No, what is my
It's
Y?
all up to you.
No, I did my part.
What is
Back to
Y?
you, Owen.
What is
No,
Y?
I did my part too.
Hey, what is Y?
1/2
1/2, so 1/2 equals
x.
M. M.
1/2
X. What is X?
pi over.
Plus B. Okay, that's one way to do it. I'm going to continue to write this. Y minus 1/2 equals M X plus X. Either way, you will get the same answer, which is,
Evans, it's your turn.
well, you have to simplify, you have to multiply.
Okay,
So what do you get when you multiply the square root of 3 over 2 by pi over 6?
Elizabeth, it's your turn.
Square root of 3 pi over 12.
Wow.
Wow, she can multiply fractions.
We all knew that it wasn't gonna be me that did that one, so thank you for taking one for the team, Elizabeth.
I got you.
Either way, on this side or this side, Now,
Yeah.
here you're either subtracting 3 square root of 3 pi over 12 from a half, or you're adding a half to both sides over here. It's the same math that you're going to have to do. So how do we add fractions?
Get a common
Common
Common denominator. What's your common denominator?
12.
12.
2. Did you ever go down with the denominator?
No.
Will 12 go into 2?
No.
2 will go into 12.
Come on, Owen.
Just wondering.
So this really needs to be 6 over 12, yes?
You usually find
Yeah.
common denominators.
So y equals the square root of 3 over 2 pi. Oh, that's not where my pi is, it's x. Sorry. X minus, it really doesn't matter which one goes first. Square root of 3 pi plus 6 all over 12. That is awful. Now, can you get your calculator out and let me show you another way to find this?
We're still subtracting here.
You're still subtracting.
No, really. Okay, wait, but if I did it the other way,
Oh no, never mind. They actually, this is what they do. They don't get decimal. They just show you there's a decimal.
if I do it that way on the left-hand side of
Okay.
this,
So now you're subtracting square root of 3. They leave a 1/2. They don't even get common denominators. There is a derivative button.
I got 6 minus the square root of 3 pi
Where's
over
the
12.
derivative button?
But then, can you simplify that?
No.
But there's a 6 and a 12.
But there's not. You have to be able to pull it out of both pieces.
I feel like
Yeah.
math, I
Fraction.
feel like math is really inconsistent because I feel like in algebra 2 I could definitely get it.
Yes.
The issue is you probably did and it was wrong.
True.
Probably,
I am an
yeah.
awful algebra 2 teacher.
I had a great one, but
He
I
didn't
don't
teach us anything. He just assigned.
Alright.
He signed 1 through 80 for each day.
Wait, where's
But
the
he didn't
one that I
teach us
can put in?
I would say
So I had to have a tutor.
Oh.
Still almost failed.
Alright.
calculator.
If you have, we're going to pretend I can pull this up for a second and it always kind of messes up. It's the math button and it's number 8.
Oh yeah, it is.
Now, if you have a fancier calculator,
There's not other than 8.
there it is.
No, stop.
Okay, so you hit number 8.
It's just a straight line.
You hit number 8,
So-
and then what?
Math 8. Oh, what in the world?
Yeah, mine is
I need to quit that. I need to clear. Stop.
I need to quit math.
Mm-mm. No, you do not.
Not
I
an
got
option.
0.
You're pressing all the wrong buttons.
I'm pressing all of the wrong buttons.
Just keep hitting quit until something good happens.
Second, quit.
There you
Okay.
go.
I'm hitting math. I'm going down to number 8. Mine pops up like this.
Yo.
Okay?
Mine just
Yours does not.
I need to get a
says
smarter
in
calculator.
derivative.
How come I got
Okay, you need sine x. Plug in sine. Hit sine. Parentheses. And then I'll have to start with parentheses but x. In parentheses. And you're going to put a comma.
Oh, I hate
There's a comma right below
Ooh.
sine.
commas are so awful.
Okay? Then you need to know, because that's our function, right? And we're taking the derivative of sine x based on x. So put x again, comma. Then you're going to put pi over 6. Now, if you're not in radian mode, you're fixing to be not good.
That's what's wrong.
That's what is wrong. Because I'm in radian mode in this. Because see, mine is going to be different. I'm going to put an x there, and I'm
Okay,
going to
I
put
got the right answer.
sine x.
I got 0.86602525595. Also, I sound like a smoker today. I apologize.
Where is pi?
Bronchitis and screaming.
Pi
Last
divided by 6.
night was too much yelling. Between that and cheer. Unite, kickoff. Come on.
Wait, so does that equal square root of 3?
Wait, what did you get?
It does.
That.
Oh,
That's 0.86.
Samesies.
Are you going
Yes.
to the game, Alex? Are you still going? You and Casey are still going to the basketball game.
Casey's not coming to Unite. The Stars aren't allowed to go.
Why did she come to the kickoff?
She was just coming to church.
Oh. Oh, that's disappointing.
It kind of can't go.
I'm
Oh, I
going,
didn't-
but
I
I'm
didn't
gonna
know
miss
she-
like the majority of it, and I'm also.
Turns
I
out
don't
Coach
start.
Parker wasn't the one pushing for us to skip out of Unite to go cheer. It was Coach James and Mr. Sheets.
It was everybody.
Like, I'm
Because you shouldn't skip something when you're committed to a sport.
okay, but I'm not gonna hop at it.
You knew when you signed up for Unite that it was going to be tournament time.
No, I didn't actually. I was
Oh.
committed to that. And we didn't have Saturday or Friday on the schedule. That's
Well,
like
that's
what
the
parents
thing.
were saying.
With tournament time, like you never
With
know.
tournament time, it said tournament start now.
I mean, true.
And we told.
I'm still going to Unite. It doesn't change.
Alright, so when it gives you that decimal, all that does is give you that square root of 3 over 2.
And so then
All
you
it
just
gives
plug
you.
that in.
But they still want this equation. But is this an equation?
Yes.
No,
No.
that's your slope.
Why did I
No, that's your
circle it?
B. I don't know why you circled
Did
it.
you
Did I
circle
circle-
B again?
No.
Did I
Wait, is
circle
that
it?
my B? Is that the B?
That's B.
Yeah, then I definitely circled B.
You did that last time.
It does that not look like an equation?
No, there are everything in that are
It's one
numbers.
number.
Everything in that's one number. Your answer is y equals. You have found today the equation of tangent lines at a certain point.
I don't know whether this makes things more simple or more complicated.
Okay, so
So that is y equals